You're gonna make these weird makeshift through tenons. We're gonna glue these together, but before we do that, I'm gonna take all the dark out so that we can make a through tenon. To do that, we need to run it through our router table this way. We're gonna build a coping sled. We're gonna build it out of these pieces right here. Okay, so we got 2 pieces of wood, the same thickness as what we're trying to run the router table. Now, we put our straight edge on here. Perfect edge. That's what we're going to run against the fence.
Put a square on the straight edge of your sled board and butt one of your other boards up to the other flat part of the square. Clamp it on so it doesn't go anywhere when you screw it in. You're going to be flipping this upside down, so be sure to countersink the screws deep enough that they don't stick out anywhere. Screw it together, and you might want to check it again with your square after you get your screws set. It needs to be perfectly square to the base.
So look like that. Take the board that you're going to be running across the planer, put it on there. Take your other board, same thickness as the board you're running across the planer, throw it on there. Make sure it don't stick out past the your planer sled there.
All right, same thing as before. Clamp it down tight so it don't move. Countersink deep enough that your screws won't stick out at all, and then screw it together. And you're already done. Now I'll show you how it works.
Don't put your screws where your mortises are going to be. I had to remove some of these and move them after I lined it up. So put your board on here, match up your mortises, then put your screws in there. Hot glue it on. I don't give a shit.
Slide your piece in your jig and flip it upside down and butt it up against your router table's fence. Make sure your jig and your workpiece are flush with the fence, and then slide it through your router bit like you would anything else. I used this jig to put dados into my boards so I could glue them together and make table legs with easy through mortises in them. And when they're sanded, you can't even tell it's not one piece of wood.